If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. If you're going to be thinking anything, you might as well think big. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. The best way to prepare for the future is to create it. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't aim for success. If you want it, just do what you love and believe in it will come naturally. Treatment without prevention is simply unsustainable. If you think your teacher is tough, wait till you get a boss. Patience is a key element of success. In quoting others, we cite ourselves. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. I failed in some subjects in exam, but my friend passed in all. Now, he is an engineer in Microsoft, and I am the owner of Microsoft. It is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. Anyone who can make you angry becomes your master. Knowledge isn't free. You have to pay attention. When we are tired, we are attacked by ideas we conquered long ago. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Success is 99% failure. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To be rich, learn to avoid these 5 things. 1. Avoid spending money on unnecessary items or luxuries that you can't afford. 2. Try to avoid accumulating high-interest debts that can hinder your financial growth. 3. Avoid making investments based on emotions. 4. Invest a portion of your income regularly for your future financial security. 5. Avoid not educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and managing money effectively.